Okay. According to this, the movie stopped a while ago. I don't know exactly what point. I put the inner cover on. I don't know if you can hear those bees buzzing or not. They're sounding off in there right now though. Alright, let's see. Oh, there's a little clump left up there. I'm going to gather up a little bit more, I think. Yeah, they all marching in, and I wish that bottom board was a light color so you can see them down there. I believe this is a swarm that I hived the other day that absconded on me. They basically deserted the hive. I don't know that it is for a fact, but I'm pretty sure. I'm basically using part of their hive to put them back in. They still want to gather up there on that limb though. That's just, they got that scent up there, and there's, I don't know, there's the, maybe a double handful. And many of them I dumped out here, I don't think, but there may be some more gathered up there. Well, they sure are fanning mighty pretty. I'm going to pause it here a minute and alright, we're going to pause it a minute. I'm going to get down there a little bit closer.